Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have an insanely exciting unboxing video to share with you guys. So I have cut these out of their original packaging just enough to make it easy for me to get to them without having to edit the video. But what we have here is a very special knife. I'm actually not sure what the second object is. A very special knife custom made by Ryan Mazzetti, who talked with me a long time ago about making a custom knife. We discussed kind of, what would be really interesting to do. And I said, much like I tell every custom knife maker, I'll give you the gist of what I, think would be interesting, but I want you to put your own flair on it. I want it to be your thing. I find it much more interesting when a custom knife maker makes something, that they like to make versus taking one of their models and molding it into something that I like the creations of the custom knife maker. So I can't wait to see what Ryan Mazzetti did. I will link his website, any appropriate links down in the description so that you guys can check him out. It does help my channel when you use those links. Well, actually, no, those are not affiliate links, so it won't help me at all. But you should absolutely check out Ryan Mazzetti's page, his site, everything like that. Thank you so much to Ryan. This is really cool. He kept updating me every step of the way. I told him that there was no time limit or anything like that, but communication was excellent the entire time and just super nice guy. So I'm really, really excited here. We have, so there, hold on, you sent me two. Okay, so this is not something that I was expecting. Oh my, oh my, oh my. So we have this piece here. And then we also have, and there's a note. So the note perhaps, oh boy. Oh, we are in special territory here. Yes, we are. Okay, so let's take a look at the note here before we get these out. These are handmade pieces, guys. Okay. So here we go. Website, here we go. This is what we're looking at. Haive Knives, at gmail.com is the email. And then the HaiveKnives.com is his website. I'll make sure that all of that is in the description. All right, here we go. Mr. Metal Complex, good day, sir. I am super excited to hear your thoughts on your knife. I hope I stayed true enough to the design that we settled on with just enough sprinkles, in quotes, to make you giggle a little. I am sure that giggles are going to be aplenty. I made myself laugh with that. Okay. I know I told you that it was a little outside of what I usually make, but I had a ton of fun with this knife. I think it officially took the record for amount of hours on a single knife. Oh man, I feel bad. The handle is a mixture of turquoise, G10, and a custom unidirectional carbon fiber with layers of silver twill. That's really cool. Those were made by Morphaholic. He makes some of my favorite synthetic materials. The guard and pommel are polished carbon Damascus, which I shaped by hand with chainsaw files. Oh my god. That was where I sunk a lot of those hours, but completely worth it in my opinion. I put a mosaic pin with my logo to spice things up a bit. That's super cool. Also did some roping, in quotes, on the spine with the chainsaw files. I've been working on my leather quite a bit. I can tell. This is amazing. I've been working on my leather quite a bit since the last knife for you. I know that was where I received some feedback. Wasn't last time. Hope the improvement is evident. It absolutely is, as I always want to provide the absolute best work that I am capable of. I'm also sending, here we go, I was wondering when we were going to hear about this one. I'm also sending you a one-off custom to donate to one of your giveaways. That is amazing. So what he's done here is he has created an additional custom knife so that I can give it away during a live stream, which is amazing, and I absolutely will do that. That is so cool. To donate to one giveaway, you choose when and how. The knife has a 3-steel Damascus blade. The handle is made with composite glass and Fordite. I'm not even sure what that is. I also tied a little lanyard with a Damascus bead. I'm barely starting to make beads, and I don't have a lathe, so I have to improve a bit until I can get one. I think that's fine. It's really cool that you even did this, honestly. I kind of enjoy the minimal tool approach. Keeps me on my toes. Anyways, hope you love your new knife, and I hope the other knife puts a smile on somebody's face. I currently have a few knives available on my website and a few others finished that I haven't posted yet. Anybody can reach out with any questions or for custom builds. Sorry, I can't help but write a novel-length letter. Take care. And he says, enjoy, Ryan. This is so cool, so kind, so amazing. I can't wait to take a look at this. It's rare that I truly get to handle something that is entirely, created by hand. So that's really, really neat. So this is the custom knife that he has sent in for for somebody to win, which is awesome. That is so cool. I love the combination here. Absolutely wild. The nice thing is that this is something that you can, keep as a collector's piece, or if you choose to actually use it, it's something that you can take out and use. It's actually really nice and ergonomic. Absolutely gorgeous Damascus there. Love the polish, but still able to see the etch. Really, really nice. Love the sheath as well. That is awesome. Very cool. Nice snap too. So I'm going to keep this out so that everybody can see it. Your hand sharpened edge is also amazing. Now, this, oh boy, I gave him a general idea, right? I was like, I like symmetry. I like hand guards, like kind of a fighting style, but I said, I want you to do your own thing. So what do we have here? Oh boy, that is cool. Oh man. Look at that beast. Wow, that is awesome. This makes me think, oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay. This makes me think of like an old school fighting Bowie. Kind of like it's got that kind of like combat spear blade, I guess. But look at the spine, how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The polish on the blade is amazing too. Obviously this is a handmade piece. There's so many indicators here that this is like a high quality handmade item, but you can tell when something is being created by hand and not by machine, right? Those little like hand charms, the little indicators and the little charms of things being created by a human being and not by a machine that was programmed to create a line or an edge or a bevel. Does that make sense, right? Let's take a look at this up close. How absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love this color combination. You said this was like the straight cut carbon fiber, and then you have the twill mixed in there, and then we also have that aqua G10. Oh my gosh. Look at those big, thick layers in the Damascus there as well. This is awesome. Oh boy, let's feel the edge there. Oh, God, that thing is screaming sharp. Hold on. I'm beside myself. This is so wicked, man. So wicked. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, man, that is cool. Look at that guard. Oh, man. This just feels... It feels so capable. It's so funny, the contrast between feeling something that is so capable and durable, and at the same time something that is so beautiful. I mean, this is beautiful beyond words, man. I really cannot stress enough how impressive this is. I love this. I love seeing things that people put their heart and soul into. I'm trying to shine this up so you guys can really get an example. You're getting a little bit of a face reveal there, but I want you guys to get a good example of what his work actually looks like, right? Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Little pieces here and there. You're seeing like basically stuff that came out like as I pulled the blade out of the sheath there. But this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love how you did the guard. I think maybe I accidentally said pommel when I meant to say guard, but the transition zones between the materials and the metal parts. The fact that we have the guard here extended further towards where the index finger would be, right? I just love that. I love this. I don't even know exactly how to describe it. It's it's like an old school fighter, but like custom. And there's almost something kind of Southwestern about it that's just neat. Like almost like, you know, a blade that you would see in an old Western where like the good guy, like, you know, it comes down to hand, right? And they just pull their knives out. Like that's kind of the vibe that I'm getting here. And I'm all about it. This is spectacular. I am so pumped. And listen, your leather work this is night and day versus the sheath that the first fixed blade came in, which honestly, I was like, you know, whatever. Like the knife is so cool. I honestly don't even care. But obviously your leather work has gotten substantially better. But your ability to craft a knife is just awesome. It is so awesome, man. I am so happy. Thank you so much for doing this. It's so kind that you wanted to send an additional knife for somebody else to have. I mean, I just think that's amazing. So I will announce when we're going to do the giveaway for that custom knife. That's really cool. But yeah, make sure you guys check out his website. Check out his email, check out his Instagram. Like he said, he's got knives available on his website, and he also is taking custom orders. So if you guys are interested in that, then utilize this information here. This is wonderful. Expect to see more content on this knife. You'll see it in YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, on Instagram, absolutely. But yeah, expect to see more. This is so cool. Sincerely, Ryan, thank you so much. The amount of effort that you have put into this is so evident. It is so obvious. I'm sorry if you were like slightly overworked for this one, but I think that the end result speaks for itself, and obviously it is an amazing example of what you're capable of doing. I could not be happier as a customer, so 100%. A+ for me. Very cool. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.